So welcome everyone to the tutorial video of question numbers um prob code forces around 765. In this we are giving a road whose length is L and it is numbered from 0 to L. So and we are given n signs on n places indicating that the next kilometer, like here for example L is 10, meaning that the length of the road is 10, and four stop signs are given, not stop signs, speed signs, which means that n is equal to 4, and like a0 equal to 0, a1 equal to 3, a2 equal to 4, and no so basically the places on the coordinate line is indicated by d, and so d0 is 0, d1 is 3, d2 is 4, d3 is 6, and we are given uh, speed signs. So like between 0 to 3 the car should cover a kilometer, 1 kilometer in time 5 minutes, uh, and it should cover 4 minus 3 means 1 kilometer in 8 minutes. It would cover like 8 minus 4 4 kilometers in 3 minutes, so 4 into 3 12, so it would cover this this distance in 4 into 3 12 kilometers. And similarly 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 into 6, so it would cover this 2 kilometers in 12 minutes. So we are also given integer k. We have to remove k stop signs, at most k stop signs, such that the time required from to reach from 0 to 10 is 0 to 12 is max minimum. So um, first I thought that greedy approach will work fine, but greedy approach will not work fine. You can um, use your brain and find out. So basically in this question dp was required. um, so it was 2d dp of I and j, denoting that denoting the minimum time required to reach from ith ith sign to L. L is the endpoint. The with exactly j sign remove. So like dp of 0, dp of 1 of 0 will indicate that from to reach from 3 to uh, this end location, and removing one stop sign, what is the minimum time I take. So for this initially I take all the inputs. I take nlk da, and I create a dp n plus 1 k plus 1, and initially all the elements will be maximum, and for reaching this end point from end point, dp of n of and removing zero stop sign would take 0 minutes. So reaching from here to here by removing zero stop sign will obviously take 0, because these both points are the same. Now we loop from right to left, like from 8430 from right to left, and we loop on the number of stop signs removed, and we also loop from left to, so we loop from right to left. So suppose we are at point, then we loop from 3 to 10, at we stop at each stop sign, and like if I stop at stop sign 4, so r will be 0 1 2, r will be 2. So what I do is I remove all the stop signs between 0 to r. So basically remove all uh, from I plus I to r. So I don't remove the I sign, I remove stop signs from beginning from I plus 1 up to r. Like if my I is 0 and r is 0 and r is 3, so I remove all these signs between here. So basically this 8, this 3, and this will get removed. So um and j will indicate j will indicate the number of signs moved at r, at point r. So if j signs are removed at r, then how many signs will be removed at I? J plus r minus I. So we are removing each and every sign from r to I. So r and r minus I additional signs will be removed. So j plus r minus I. And if it is greater than k, then we have to break, obviously. We cannot break remove more than k signs. And so the basically this is the base case. Here we don't remove any stops. Um, like j is same here, so we don't remove any stops. And not stop sign, speed sign. And in this so this transition basically dp of I and j plus r minus I, as I have already told that if j signs are removed at r, then j plus r minus I signs will be removed at I. So dp of this will be minimum of dp of this. And so thing is very important. So if we remove every stop signs till r, including r, so we have to take from r plus 1. So dp of r plus 1j plus, so and now every stop sign is removed between them, so dp of r. So basically if these two stop signs are removed, then the time taken will be 10 minus 3. So we will not take in account these both in into time taken for 1 kilometer here at ith location. This is it, dp of r plus or minus dp of I into a of plus, like if we removed every stop sign from speed sign from here to here, so like I is this and j and r is this. So dp of r plus 1 d of r plus 1 minus d of I into a of uh, so after this we take the minimum of all the d at the zeroth point and we print them. You can see it is